Today we will introduce a new arrival car diagnostic tool, UCANDAS VDM2, which can connect to your smartphone to use it directly. Turn your Apple or Android smartphone into a powerful OB2 scan tool. Now let's have a test. Firstly, we have to connect the unit to the car port, and we click the VDM2 application icon. We will show diagnose it yourself. Firstly, we click the setting icon, and you will see all support language, more than 20 CANs language from all over the world. And in the region select section, you can get the serial number, software and hardware version. And in the link section, you can choose Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connect as per your needs. Now, we get started to check the update section. It must connect to Wi-Fi when update. You can choose the specific car brand to update. And also you can choose the software language at the top right. Then you can update directly. Now we check the Regenerate section. Every time we use it, we need to regenerate it. Now we take an example for Honda. In the interface, we can see the American cars, Europe cars, Asia cars, China cars, and others. Now we select Honda. And choose the Japan CRV. Now we can see the supported function module of these products, like SRS, ABS, APS, and so on. We can read the engine module. Firstly, it will take about 5 seconds. And now we can see the ECU information, like ECU ID, VIN code, read DT6, and no fault code present. We check the data stream. Now it pulls the accelerator and you will see the data is changing, like engine speed. Okay, that's all today. To know more information about this device, please sign the QR code to follow us on Facebook.